Look no further than the 2019 Lincoln Nautilus. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a smooth, well-equipped Nautilus, the midsize two-row luxury crossover that prioritizes passenger comfort and driving pleasure. You'll love its punchy performance and thoughtful use of the latest technology to help you stay connected, focused, and confident so you can make the most of every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, power liftgate, fog lamps, adaptive cruise control, wood grain interior trim, heated rear seat, power passenger seat. Don't miss the opportunity to experience a new level of comfort and versatility. Get behind the wheel of this luxurious Nautilus. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.